Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just want to do a quick video here because I'm not too well. Like, you'll hear me all the time because I've got a snotty nose, just not well. It's been 2 weeks now. It's eating me off. Anyway, but I just want to bring you this video because you guys saw from one of my previous videos, PASTELBUDZ. If you got in and you watched the video and you liked it, you did your research, all that type of stuff, I just want to say congratulations. Like, look at the volume, guys. 357,000 adder in volume, and the project's been out for like what, 2 days now. Yeah, 2 days. It's been absolutely insane. The floor's gone up 4x, I believe. Sorry about the coughing, guys. I can't help it. Usually I would cut it out, but I just want to do this dead quick and bring it out to you guys. But 120 floor adder price, mad. I've got two. I'm glad I did. I didn't actually mint any. Sadly I wasn't around the time of mint. I did actually have whitelist as well, I think, or I had something, but I didn't actually manage to mint, so that was a bit sad. I'm going to leave all links down below for PASTELBUDZ. They did actually sponsor my video in the last one, and they wanted me to update you guys again on this, and I think the team have done a fantastic job. I mean, just look at these sales. You got 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, literally selling every minute. I don't even think this is updated correctly. Let me just refresh, see if this is actually updated at all. So yeah, you got a minute ago there. So they're literally selling a bud every 2 seconds. The floor's just dropped a little bit as we speak here. Looks like someone's trying to underfloor. Oh, there you go. You picked two up here for nearly 100. So there you are. You know, if you guys want to check out this project, there you are. You've got 2 at 100 right now. They'll probably be gone by the time this video comes up. But yeah, PASTELBUDZ, I just want to say congratulations to the team. You did a fantastic job, and I'm very excited for the future. I'm very excited for the 3D pastels. I'm excited for the Pastaverse. I'm just excited, guys. So check them out. Join the Discord. Become part of the community. And just say, hey, Mayhem really loves you guys. Do that type of stuff. So yeah, if you enjoyed this little clip and you want more little things like this to update your own quick projects, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.